outfit of the day today. I'm wearing a pink little turtleneck that I got from Value Village, so it's thrifted. I'm wearing these like dark green trousers. Wow, English. This is the jacket I bought in New York. It's from Zara. And then I'm wearing these boots from Nine West. Purse is old, Rebecca Minkoff. So I am just about to head out and I decided to vlog. I'm actually going over to my friend Miss Kimberly's from Ask Kimberly here on YouTube. I've been friends with Kimberly for like a long time, like at least 4 years. I feel like it's been a long time. And they actually, her and her husband Nathan recently moved, so I have not seen their new place, neither has Matt. So I'm driving up to her place right now. We're gonna be doing some baking. We are baking from the HealthNut cookbook. We're actually making my blueberry lemon muffins, but we're gonna do them like a holiday twist and do cranberries instead, which is great because she said that Cassie loves cranberries, which is good. So that's her daughter, and then she also has a new little boy, which I'm so excited to meet him, and you guys will see her whole family. So cute, and I'm just so excited to see them. I haven't seen them for a while, and I'm just gonna drive there now. It's gonna be a little trafficy because I'm going at the worst time, but Matt's gonna meet me there from work, so we're gonna go there, bake some stuff, hang out, have a ball. It's gonna be a lot of fun, and I'm just gonna bring you guys along. So we're gonna head out. I brought some goodies from the shop for Kim and Nathan. I have a little Stojo, I got avocado socks, stasher, a couple other things. I also have some baking stuff here, like spelt flour, coconut butter, some other things that we might need that they might not have. But I think I am good to go. Let's go. Oh, it's already open. Okay. I don't know about you guys, but ow. I always take my jacket off. Cash is just staring at me. I always take my jacket off when I'm driving a long distance because I find it's uncomfortable. I like to be free. I think I'm gonna stop and get a bagel. I'm hungry. I haven't really, all I had for lunch was a smoothie. It's kind of like a lunch smoothie. I should probably find the directions. So I think it's gonna take me about an hour. What does it say? Oh, okay, not bad. It says 47 minutes. Got my charger in the car. And we are off. Gotta moisturize the lips. Do I have my water? Whew. Got my HealthNut water bottle. Hydrate, meditate, create. Oh great, my neighbors are out and they're probably like, why is this girl talking to herself? Chloe's gonna watch Cashew and take her for a walk because I haven't had a chance to. It's kind of been a crazy day. But yeah, let's get this show on the road. I probably should turn you guys off before I go. All right, let's go get a bagel because I'm hungry. It's one of those days I'm like, I need carbs to keep me going. Hi, can I get a 12 grain bagel, double toasted with cream cheese?
Anything else?
No, that's everything.
240, drive out please.
Thank you. And yes, if you're wondering, I do eat bagels and it's fabulous. So I don't make it an everyday thing, but when the time calls for it, I'm all about a nice toasted bagel with cream cheese. So if we had like a good bakery around us, I would go to that, but I'm kind of in a rush. So you know what? Fast food is there for a reason. Also, yeah, I'm like totally fine with bread and cream cheese. Once in a while, it's delicious. But yeah, I'm gonna have that, and it's kind of, I'm in between meals right now, so I'm gonna have that, and then I don't know if we're gonna like order in or something later for actual dinner. We shall see. Maybe we'll just eat the muffins for dinner. But yeah, okay, I'm next. I better let you go. Thank you. Can I get some napkins too, please? And this is how we're starting out.
What happened?
He's so cute.
Oh, what happened? Look at
Hey,
your
little
face.
buddy. Hi, look at those rosy cheeks.
Hello.
Hey.
Say, I'm getting 2 teeth.
Where are they?
Teeth.
Where are they?
They're in here, but he won't open.
Oh, he won't.
You
He's
can
shy.
just feel them.
Oh.
But he's like that's why his cheeks get rosy these days.
Yeah, when they're teething.
Teeth.
Hey.
Your first 2 teeth.
So I'm at Kim's new house. Look at this
Yay.
gorgeous tree. Oh my, yours looks so much more full than mine.
Does it?
People told me on my decorating video, they're like, you need more bulbs. I'm like,
Really?
yeah, yours looks nice and full.
Thanks. I feel like it took us a few years to acquire the bulbs though. Like
Yeah?
Canadian Tire all the way. Like, we just-
Oh, I know, they have really good stuff. I actually was just there. We did a real tree actually for the first time.
Oh wow.
Yeah, so this is our place is so cute.
Thank you.
Okay, I'm gonna get the house tour.
Welcome, welcome.
And then we're gonna do some baking. Oh, let me put the cranberries in the fridge just because they were
yeah.
frozen, so they're kind of like
cool.
thawing. But
We are gonna. Nathan's getting changed.
yeah, Matt's not here yet. He's coming here from work, so he's probably gonna be a little bit. Oh my goodness, do you love them?
You want your picture on the socks? Or her picture?
Wow, you and mommy are gonna be matching. What's the secret password?
We didn't order pizza.
Tacos, so.
We already ate dinner!
Oh my God, Zach's just like, I'm coming.
Oh, that's who it is! Who's that? Who's that?
So we're eating all the healthy stuff and got Mariah Carey. I'll let you sing it.
The magic baking powder is the secret ingredient.
Yes, we need the magical ingredient. Yeah, and curry powder apparently. that was Zach's addition. We got the cranberries. So we're just measuring out all the ingredients and then we're gonna mix everything up. So we're making these muffins right here. Right? I got my sous chef, Miss Cassie with a K. Do you know my name's Nikole with a K? So Cassie's gonna do the eggs.
Do you know how to crack eggs?
Yes, Papa told me.
I trust you. Here, I'll hold, okay, give it a good whack. Harder. Yeah, oh, nice. Get in there with
Yes,
your
it
hands.
was.
It's okay if we get a shell in.
Here you go.
Wow. That was very impressive. Muffins are cooled. We're gonna ice them now. We have the glaze. And now it's the fun part, right? So what do you do after you ice them?
Eat them!
Yeah.
Good.
good?
Bite into it too.
Is it Cassie approved?
Oh, you did. Okay. Cassie approved? Yes.
Yay! It's kind of sour.
It's kind of the lemon, eh? Oh, you got the cherry, the cranberry. Right, Matt?
Alright, did you get something you can use, Kim?
Yes.
Alright, good. That's all.
Muffin?
Sure. Okay. Middle one.
The boys are trying the
Oh my-
muffins.
So good.
Oh, right.
Really?
Ah, God. She says my
Like, you should
reactions.
come have a
She
muffin.
says my reactions are always like very
Subpar.
like low, so I'm like, figure I just
That's like
over.
Nathan too. He's a low reactor, and I'm like,
I'm always just
act
like, yeah.
excited.
I'm like, yeah, it's
I know,
good.
I'm like, can you give me something?
Oh yes, they love them. Oh yes. Thank
My
you
life is
for the
complete.
appreciation.
Cheers. Oh, muffin heaven.
That was a golden shot
That was
right
good.
there.
No, they're good though.
Muffin heaven.
I'm gonna have
They
another
are
one.
good. This one here, how was yours?
I
Whoa.
actually made that one, Mom.
That's so good.
Oh, Cassie likes your muffin. Or Kim likes your muffins.
No
Look at my new tooth coming in.
That's so good. That's your tooth?
No.
Wow. We're chefs.
Basically, you could do this.
Tell me
You
more.
saw how easy it was.
No way.
Well, Cassie knows now. She'll show you.
All I've learned from today is how impressed I am with Nikole.
I'll
Because
take that.
She lives her whole life, she has her whole channel, and she can do this. Which to
Well,
me
this
is very
yeah,
impressive.
But you always give like the best advice and like best tips on your channel that I'm like, how do you I'm like, how do you know all this stuff? So I feel like, you know, everyone has
Because I'm really old. I'm
Are we the
lots of
same
years.
age?
No, I don't think so. I'm like way older than you, I think.
Why is there no babies?
I don't know.
Okay, so we've just been talking about business for the last 3 hours.
Oh, at least 3 hours.
Such good conversation. I'm having another muffin. And
A
hopefully this
business
is-
muffin.
But yeah, we had a business meeting. We're coming out with apparel
It's a
2020.
mastermind. We set our intentions for 2020.
Yeah. It really was a good mastermind, yeah.
Good.
So we're gonna let these two go to sleep. These three. Your dad's gonna stay up later than all of us.
Yes.
Probably. Yeah.
Not probably,
He doesn't
though.
sleep.
Night owl? Yeah.
I guess.
Just finished doing a little photo shoot for Boxing Day. Hey, how's it going? So not sure what happened. I either forgot to end it or my battery died. So I just want to pop in and say thank you for watching this video. Be sure to check out Kim's channel. I'll link it down below. I believe her video should be live as well today. So you guys can definitely go check her out, send her some love. And she's also doing a giveaway for the HealthNut Cookbook. If you guys want to win a copy, I have one actually right here. And also, oh my goodness, things are falling. Also, we're doing, stay tuned, because Boxing Day, we have a huge sale going on for the HealthNut shop. So you guys can look out for that after Christmas. If you have any Christmas money or just things you didn't get, don't worry, we got you. You can get them on the shop and you get a good deal. So stay tuned for that. And just thank you so much. I hope you guys are enjoying Vlogmas. It's been so much fun all month just to hang out with you guys. I feel like we've connected on a deeper level and I've just had so much fun. I see your messages that are saying you're sad that Vlogmas is coming to an end and that you're not gonna have daily vlogs from me. I'm sorry, I just could not do this like every month. It'd be a little nuts. But I do feel like I've fallen in love with vlogging even more and I'm so excited for the new year. The vlogs are gonna be so good and I'm just gonna put more like work and effort into them and I'm just so excited. So thank you so much for watching. You guys are the best. You guys mean so much and I'm just always, around this time of year, I just am always even more grateful for your support. So thank you so much. I will see you guys in tomorrow's Vlogmas and have a fabulous day and I hope you guys have an awesome Christmas Eve tomorrow. Bye guys!